guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a building like this in 3ds Max. So we'll just get started. So I'm going to just start by creating a brand new file, and I'm going to first start off by drawing the base of the building. So I'm going to do this on the splines and click line, and this can be whatever shape you want it to be. I want to go for something kind of organic, so I'm happy, or not really happy with that, but that's okay because I can go into here and select that, and if I want to delete it, that's totally fine. I can move these points around. Awesome. So I'm happy with that for now. That can be the shape. And I'm just going to go into this modifier list again, and I'm typing extrude. And this is the level of the building. So I've got it set to 5 meters, but that could be 4.5 or whatever height you wanted each floor to be. And I'm simply going to now drag this up, holding down shift to create a copy. So a copy is totally fine for this one, and I'm going to change the color just so I can see the difference in levels. And I want this to sit just on top, but dragging that's not entirely accurate, so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to change that to 4.5 because that's the height of the first level. So now that's sitting directly on top. I want to create some balconies, so I need to offset this, and I'm going to do that by scaling this one in just like that. Awesome. So I'm now going to select both of these objects and I'm going to group them. These can just be called levels or whatever you want. And once that's now a group, so they're joined, I'm going into tools and I'm going to click array. So I'll reset these so you can see the effects. And I need to click preview to see what's happening. So currently I've already got 20, but they're all sitting just on this same spot. So to change that, I can change the Y direction, and you can see those 20 copies of that, I suppose, moving in the Y direction. If you wanted this to be on a diagonal, you can also put that in the X direction, and that will change that as well. But this is going to be kind of a skyscraper, so I'm only going to change the Z direction. Because I set these levels to 4.5 and there's 2 of them, if I want each of these levels to sit directly on top of each other, I need to change this one to 9. And you can see that that has had an effect on this building. I made the base quite big and I want a little bit more height, so I'm going to be a little crazy and I'll change it to 35. So you can see that has made that building a lot taller. But this array tool also has this rotation button, so I can make it rotate in the Y. I could do 6, but that's doing some kind of crazy things, so I'm only going to effect the Z direction, and this will create kind of a twist. So I'm pretty happy with that twist. It's kind of extreme and helixy, which I like. So I'm happy with that, and I'm just going to click OK. And then to do some final changes, I'm going back into the modifier list. And I'm going to type FFD, and I'm going to click this 4x4x4. So this gives me control points, which I can affect. So I can scale these to kind of expand. So now you can see that the top levels are much wider than the base, and you can see that here. So it's kind of got this cool shell effect, and you can do this around the whole building. So if I wanted it to kind of balloon out or kind of squeeze in, I can do that here also. And that's the final building. Thanks for watching.